Definitely no. Extensive consultation, joint contribution, and shared benefits have always been the principles of the BRI. Sticking to open cooperation and letting the market play its role have been a feature in building the BRI. China is leading in technology, quality, and service when it comes to infrastructure, which give it the edge to drive the economic and social development of relevant BRI partner countries while benefiting the local people. In some projects, different parties have agreed to adopt Chinese standards, which could bring out the strengths and potential of Chinese companies to improve the infrastructure of the BRI partner countries. For example, the Jakarta-Bandung HSR has fully utilized China's technologies and standards, achieving a maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Supported by the mature technologies of China's Fuxing EMU trains, certain modifications have been made during the construction of the Jakarta-Bandung HSR, giving regard to Indonesia's local culture, environment, and railway route conditions. Granting the project features of technological advancement, safety, smartness, while demonstrating a strong ability to adjust to different conditions and showing vivid local features. It has fully demonstrated China's contribution to the global public good.